To download the apps, we have to do is first enter the Google Play Store. Once the application is open, we go to the Add tab, then opens the gallery of our mobile where it appears our images. Select the image we want to edit and then add. At the top on the button, what we do is select. After this, we open our image. The application shows the tools with which we can edit our photography. Then what we're going to do is open the light tool. The first thing is to handle the exposure. If I increase the exposure, I highlight black, white, illuminations are overexposed or underexposed. If we double-click the slider, we're back to 0. Let's go with the contrast. What it does is it contrasts black and white. Here you can see what this change looks like in the photograph. Now we go with the illuminations. If I go to the left, the value of the illuminations increased, and so we have. In shadows, you can modify it to your liking. Equally with white and black people. To see the before and after, click on the image having pressed for a second the screen. We open color eyelashes, then we see the temperature rods. If we slide to the right, we make it warmer, and if we move it to the left, we make it colder, depends on your taste. That's what it looks like on our cell phone. With the nuance, what we can do is to move it to the right will give us a magenta tone, and if we move it to the left, it gives us a greener hue. In intensity, what makes us is to increase the color, giving more intensity to the colors. In saturation, what we do in giving more strength to remove the color to the photo, and now we go with mix. In this comes out the range of all colors. We have tone, saturation and illumination. With the tone, we change the tone to each color. We can see it more yellow or more red. Saturation can be increased or decreased, in luminance you can edit it according to what you want to highlight in your photo. And so our final photo checks out. Here you see the before and the after.